Hi guys, this is the latest and I heard it's the hottest e-bike, approved e-bike in the market right now. So I don't know what's so special about it. So let's do the first unboxing video of this model of e-bike and see what's so special. Let's get it ready. I'm gonna add some suspense on it. So let's see what's inside. So first of all, we have a box over here, which includes the charging kit, the adapter and all that, the usual stuff. And oh, it comes with the usual user manual as well. And okay, this is the pedal. Pedal looks solid, and I heard the pedal is foldable. So that's about it. Okay, now are you ready for it? This is the seat. And oh, it comes with a very nice, very good looking bag as well. You can see? So I think this is, oh, the name is on it, MOVE. And now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the, wow, the looks is kind of futuristic, and the handlebar is foldable. Okay. Wow. No, I know. Some of you will the thrill of the design, right? So am I. I think this design is wow. Okay, let's put on the seat. Okay, so you can adjust the height of the seat cushion. So I think okay, here is okay, and you can adjust the height of the handlebar also. Okay, it has a speedometer. If you can't see, it's right here. So once on, you'll say okay, we have a speedometer and the battery indicator as well. So and the tires are 14-inch front and back, 14-inch tires. So this bag you can just put it here, just attach to the front. Okay, I'll move this a bit. Okay, all the instructions are in the usual user manual. So including the operation, the charging, check and adjust the front brake and rear brake and all that. How to attach or adjust the handlebar. So all the usual stuff. But I know some of you are not too familiar with e-bikes and all that. So e-bikes are basically bicycle, but with power assistance. So this one looks really like what do you think? So as this one is the first unboxing video, okay, I don't know how to oh wow, have you seen it? Wow. Okay, it's very easy to take out the battery, I think, and you can take it out. This is the battery. So it says here 36 volt 9.9 Ah. So it claims that it can go up to 80 kilometers So I think it's the longest in the market right now, if I'm not mistaken. Do this. So this, okay. Well, I can see front lights and rear lights, and see what is the front light is like. Wow. Okay. You can see front lights. And the back lights also. It's kind of I don't know. I like it very much, and I'm quite sure you will like it also, because the front and the brakes are these brakes, front and back disc brakes. Pedal is foldable. So I think I personally like this bike very much because of the looks of the battery, of the lights, of almost everything. It's solid. The tires looks good. The brakes is like wow. So and I'm quite sure many of our customers will love it. So stay tuned for the next video. So there are 5 speed levels, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's start with the first one. So the first speed one will easily go up to like 17, 18, 19, 17. Okay, let's try speed 2, or okay, let's jump to speed 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, almost the same. 20, 21, 22. Okay, let's go to speed 5, the highest. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow, it easily goes to cutoff point 25 kilometers per hour.